Talking about me.
Cute.
Not her as me. You talking about me. Are you sure?
Queen, sexy. You know you cute or whatever for that. You heard me.
Boy, bye.
Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a switcher. Mad 'cause I'm cuter than the girl that's.
Yo, look at this frontal. Psych, what frontal did. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I am graduating. I just finished my 4th AP exam this morning. Then I went all the way to like DeKalb County, 2 hours away from me, or an hour and a half away from me to get slayed. Anyways, today we're gonna talk about growing up dark skinned. When I tell y'all like everything that I love, I really do not like being dark skinned. Like, it sucks having to be loud all the time because I'm dark skinned. It sucks having to be a man all the time because I'm dark skinned. It sucks being cute just for a dark skin. It's just hard being dark skinned. Like, I feel like if I was light skinned, everything would be so much easier. Am I right or am I wrong? Tell me down in the comments below. Anyways, let's go ahead and talk about growing up dark skinned in Atlanta. Well, let's start from when I was in a private school. It was mostly Caucasian folk, and the black people were Oreos, and I was an Oreo for the time being because I assimilated, and that's what we were like taught to do as a black person in a white community or whatever. So yeah, surprisingly I didn't get a lot of hate for being black or dark skinned until like mostly 6th grade middle school or whatever. But from like when I was younger, like 2nd grade, there was this particular boy who also didn't graduate on time, oh well, and also didn't go to college, but oh well. But he would always be like, why are you so dark? You're darker than your brother, do you know that? And my brother is pretty dark, but I just didn't understand what the problem was. And people would always be like that I wasn't cute, and then they would also associate it with me being dark. And I was just confused because how you yourself, you're light and you're still ugly, but you're still trying to call me ugly and associating it with because I'm dark. Like, the correlation, there was none. That was the problem. I couldn't understand it. I couldn't comprehend it. And me being smart and my head is straight, like, I just couldn't understand it. So since my head is straight and I can't understand it, doesn't that mean your head is not correct? I'm pretty sure that's what it means, because it's just not 2 + 2 is 4. What you're saying is 2 + 2 is 5. I'm cute, okay? Like, look at me, I'm cute. You can see in the camera, I'm cute. I can see in the viewfinder, I'm cute. Don't try to play me because I'm dark. I'm still cute. So yeah, they called me darker than midnight. When they turn off the lights, they would be like, where's Esther? We can't see her. I'm like, y'all can't see anything. It's dark, okay? If I were to punch you, you wouldn't know it was me. If somebody white was to punch you, you still wouldn't know it was them. Okay? Okay. So I didn't understand the correlation there either. I'm not angry. I'm just playing with you guys, but I just don't understand it. Like I said, I'm cute, so nobody can tell me nothing at all, like, ever. No, you can't tell me nothing. You guys in the comments can't tell me nothing. I'm cute, okay? And then on top of that, there was only one other girl that was black, and she would join all the little boys and girls telling me that I'm a man because I'm dark. Like, you know how you used to play like homeschool and stuff or whatever, or house? Yeah, we used to play house, and they'll be like, oh, Esther has to be the man because she's that dark, or she's too dark to be a woman. And I'm just like, what? So only men can be dark? I mean, I like my men dark too, but women can be dark and pretty, you know? It's not by force, it's okay. Okay, so let's fast forward to high school. We're skipping middle school because it's just too much. The whole high school, I mean the whole middle school and elementary thing, it was kind of together because it was one school and it was a private school, K through to 12. So let's just go ahead to high school. So there was another girl. She was dark skinned as well, but she called herself brown skin, and I was still confused. Is it by force? It's not by force. I swear. I promise you, it's not by force. Okay, so we're just talking in the locker room, and she was like, you know one thing, I want to be dark skinned. And I understand because being dark skinned became a trend. Okay, it became a trend. And they were like, how dark? Because everyone else was light skinned, and they were like, how dark do you want to be? Like dark? She was like, no, like milk chocolate dark. And they were like Esther dark, and then everybody turned to look at me, and they was like, never that dark. It's way too dark. What's too dark? Are you blind? The darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. You ain't got no juice, shorty. Trying to tell me I'm too dark. I'm too dark and I'm too cute. But you were the first one subscribed to my YouTube channel, were you not? Because I could see who subscribed when I first started. I could. You was there. But you want to say I'm too dark. But you still want to watch my videos though. Oh, okay. Okay, just making sure you understood the dilemma, my dilemma. Like I said, I knew I was cute, but then I started getting into makeup. Guys, this was my first foundation. CoverGirl True Band Liquid Makeup in the shade Tawny D5. Open your ears and see well, like, this is definitely not my shade. It's definitely not. I even thought that getting those little bleach creams from Walmart would help make my skin light. And I even started looking into the bleach creams from the African stores, like, and then you'll be crying that you have skin cancer or that your neck doesn't match with your, or that your face doesn't match with the rest of your body, and you'll be wondering why. Like, I'm just so thankful that I realized how dumb I was being and that I was beautiful the way I was, and that nobody can tell me nothing. Like, because if I had bleached my skin, I would be so highly upset. If I came back with skin cancer, I would be so highly upset. We thank God, like, to God be the glory for all the great things he has done, because without him, where would I be right now? Wow. You are Jehovah, you are the most high God. Where would I be without his grace? Wow. And then I didn't understand the little white boys that would be like, I want a dark chocolate sexy Nubian black queen. Like, if you don't sit your little let me just go past that. Anyways, like in high school again, there were these white boys, they'll be like, I want to date a black girl, and then I was just sitting there being cute, and then they're like what type of black girl? That type of black girl? They're like, no, definitely not that type of black girl. No, way too dark. I'm like, bro, if I backhand you, your face will be so red like a tomato. Let me come and be going, because you're not worth my time. Wow, could really turn myself into a Bobrisky. Praise God. Not that Bobrisky isn't really fine though. Why y'all tripping? Why y'all playing? It's you, don't deny it. Okay, so I haven't touched on everything, but it is the last thing I want to talk about because my camera is actually dying right now. Purple lipstick. I have this purple lipstick, right? Okay, so this light skinned girl wanted to tell me that purple lipstick was not for dark skin. I was a freshman at the time, so you know I was a bit naive, and I was also sneaking the lipstick at the time as well. So anyways, so yeah, she told me that lipstick was not for dark skinned people, and me personally, I was like, if it's not for dark skinned people, then who's it for? Because it's definitely not for you, baby. Like, sorry, I feel like it looks better, or I still feel like this way. But my thing is, everybody can wear it, but I do feel like dark lipstick does complement darker skin and lighter skin, but more over darker skin in my preference. So that's another thing. Dark skinned girls can do whatever they want. We can wear blonde wigs, we can wear pink wigs, we can wear pink lipstick. You can't tell us nothing. Cause why? We're fine, we're baddies. Like, what you mean? Now everybody wants to be dark skinned because it's a trend. Everyone wants to be in the sun bleaching their skins or darkening their skins, tanning, whatever, tanning beds. You can't get this melanin, baby, if you wasn't born with it. Try again. Let me stop. Okay, that's the end of this video. Half this video was sarcasm. If you can tell, if it wasn't sarcastic, you can tell. If it was sarcasm and you can't tell, I'm sorry. Maybe you'll find out in the comment section below. But I'm very sarcastic and I'm very hilarious. And yeah, I just wanted to come and talk to you guys for a little bit because I haven't been with you guys for a minute. My camera's about to die. But anyways, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. It's completely free and it won't kill you. It's not by force, but hey, God will surely bless you ×2. Also, guess who's graduating with honors in less than 5 days? Is it you? Or is it you? Oh yeah, it's me. Thank you so much for all the support. I love all of you guys. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Esther.xxi. You can also follow me on Snapchat at EstherXXI. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys next time.